This is an extremely short class, only a matter of a minute or maybe a couple of minutes. I just want to introduce you to some definitions of economics. First of all, we do need a definition of the subject. If we don't have a definition, we're not quite sure, therefore, what the parameters is, and we're not quite sure what we should be studying, what's included in it. In the study of economics. So we do need a definition. And the two I want to pick out here are by two of probably the greatest economists ever, and look at their definitions. And their definitions may surprise you a little. So it's a very short class, just a few points really, and just a few slides about two very famous economists who have got two very interesting definitions, as you'll see. The two economists are Keynes and Marshall. Both of these big names in the history of economics. In particular, I suppose Marshall stands out. He's the one who gave us the theory of supply and demand and our understanding of the market, as well as many other factors associated with market analysis. But this was back in the 1890s, so this is a long time ago, and his definition is interesting in the context of his contribution. So let's first of all, let's look at Cannon's definition. Okay, Cannon's definition of economics, and that's it. The study of things having to do with man's material welfare. The study of things. It doesn't say what things. Just the study of things having to do with man's material welfare. Okay, what are the things? Well, it doesn't say. I suppose we could fill out the blanks and say it's to do with work and products in the shop and buying things and selling things. It's very vague. In fact, it doesn't get us very far. So that's Cannon's definition. It may surprise you, but that's the definition. Marshall's definition is equally strange. The study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. What's the ordinary business of life? I don't know. It doesn't say. Just the ordinary business of life. You're meant to understand, I suppose, what's meant by the ordinary business of life, but it's very vague as well. So here are two of the really big names in economics with very strange definitions. In fact, what we're going to do is we're going to focus in on one by Lord Robbins, and that definition is much, much more detailed. But for the moment, these are just two definitions by two very famous economists, and you can see neither of them tell us very much. Very strange definitions. So we will wait until we bump into the Robbins definition, which is much more extensive. That's all I'm going to do here. So it's just it's not even a class, it's just a few notes about two definitions that may surprise you. So let's leave it at that and say thank you for watching.